When you search for the best soccer cleats under $100, everything looks the exact same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Under Armour Spotlight Hammer Football Cleats. The Under Armour Spotlight Hammer Football Cleats caught my eye mainly because they're retailing for just $47. Right off the bat, I can tell you if you want reliable performance at a budget price, this is worth a serious look. Here's why these cleats stand out. The synthetic upper is not just light, it's super durable, meaning it can handle those tough tackles. The full-length EVA midsole cushions your feet well, so you can focus on your game, not on foot pain. Plus, the molded rubber outsole provides great traction, whether you're on grass or turf. This is crucial for making those sharp turns and quick sprints. And with over 50 sold just this month, it seems like others are catching on to the value here. Now, some people complained about the fit being a bit snug. Here's the thing though, if you prefer a tight fit for better control, that might actually work in your favor. But if you like a looser fit, this could be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're looking for affordable cleats that won't compromise on performance. Skip this one if you prefer a wider fit or need extra room for comfort. Alright, if the snug fit of the Spotlight Hammer bothered you, the next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Under Armour Shadow Select 2. We have the Under Armour Shadow Select 2 football cleats, priced at $48. The moment I unboxed these, I was impressed by how soft the synthetic leather upper felt. If you're after a snug fit without sacrificing comfort, this is definitely worth checking out. What's great about these cleats is the soft foam inside the heel that cradles your foot, making it feel secure during intense plays. The EVA sock liner adds extra comfort underfoot, which means you can keep moving without fatigue. The TPU outsole with conical studs gives you excellent traction, crucial for those quick pivots on the field. It's ideal for players who need to change directions fast, and with no customer reviews yet, it's still a hidden gem. However, some users noted that the studs could wear down quicker than expected. That said, if you're playing on firm ground regularly, you should still get good mileage out of them. This is a solid choice if you want comfort and responsiveness without breaking the bank. Skip this if you're looking for something that can handle extreme wear and tear. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want lightweight flexibility.
Product number 3, HRJR High Top Soccer Cleats. The HRJR High Top Soccer Cleats are designed with both men and women in mind. I was genuinely surprised by how lightweight they are, making them perfect for agile players. These cleats really shine with their breathable upper, which keeps your feet cool and comfortable during those high-energy matches. The non-slip rubber outsole provides stable traction, crucial for making those quick, precise moves on the field. Plus, the high collar design offers added ankle support, helping to prevent injuries, a major concern for many players. And they're suitable for a variety of surfaces, making them a versatile option. However, some users express that the sizing can be tricky, often running smaller than expected. If you're someone who prefers a precise fit or has wider feet, you might want to size up. This is perfect for you if you need agility and comfort at a low price point. Skip this if you have wider feet or prefer a more fitted design. Now, if the lightweight feel of the HRJR cleats is what you're after, our next pick gives you great comfort for a reasonable price. Product number 4. New Balance 442 Academy FGV2 soccer shoes, which retail for $74.92. Honestly, I think these are a great blend of style and performance. With a redesigned stitching pattern, the upper feels premium and enhances your comfort. The lightweight TPU plate and stud tips mean you'll have no problem with traction on firm ground pitches. The comfortable lining really improves that first touch feel, making it easier to control the ball right away, which is crucial for any player who wants to make an impact. With no reviews yet, this one is still a hidden treasure. That said, some players might find the fit a little narrow. If you have broader feet, you might feel cramped. But if you prefer a snug, locked-in feel, this won't bother you at all. This is ideal for players looking for a stylish, comfortable option. Skip this if you need something roomier for wider feet. Alright, if you liked the comfort of the New Balance, the next product offers a similar feel but with a different design approach.
Product number 5, Under Armour Shadow Select 2, second listing.
We have another entry from Under Armour with the Shadow Select 2, priced at $60. This model is quite similar to the previous one, but I noticed a few enhancements that might interest you. Like before, we're looking at a durable synthetic leather upper that ensures a snug fit. The soft foam heel gives you comfort during those long games, and the EVA sock liner maintains that underfoot coziness. The TPU outsole with conical studs still provides that essential traction. It's worth mentioning that Under Armour is a brand known for quality, and I think this one is a solid contender. However, some users pointed out the toe box can feel a bit tight. For players with wider feet, that's something to consider. But if you prioritize grip and stability, that can be a non-issue. This is perfect for you if you need reliable traction and comfort for competitive play. Skip this if you're looking for a more spacious fit. In conclusion, we've covered a fantastic range of options in this price bracket, from the lightweight HRGR high tops to the performance-driven New Balance 442. Each has its unique strengths. So whether you're an agile player or someone who needs extra comfort, there's something here for you.
We've looked at 5 great soccer cleats under $100. The Under Armour Spotlight Hammer for a budget-friendly choice, the Shadow Select 2 for comfort, HRJR high tops for lightweight agility, the New Balance 442 for a premium feel, and another Shadow Select 2 for its traction. Each offers something unique, so you can find the right fit for your needs.